unenterprising yet full, but lazy, irresolute, and weak, fail in their way to wisdom. Dhammapad 280. If an individual does not make an effort even at a time when exertion is due, if a person is lethargic even when he is young and strong, if a person suppresses the wholesome thoughts that arise in his mind, if he is lazy, he will not find the path of wisdom. No time to strive, not striving, while young and strong yet indolent. Weak-minded and irresolute, one finds not wisdom's way. Dhammapad 280. Utthano kalom hi anuttthano যুবা বলি আলস্যং পেটো সংসন্ন সংকল্প পমন কুশিত পণ্যায় মগ্গম অলস ন বিন্দতি। Dhammapad 280.